Catch a breath as we dive into the captivating world of the faith quadrant. Picture this: 4 zones, each a distinct part of the sports psyche. Starting with Zone 1, the comfort zone. Here, athletes rely on their natural abilities and past training, feeling at ease and confident. Then, we shift gears to Zone 2, the fear zone. Here, doubt and uncertainty seep in. It's the playing field where athletes question their capabilities, often leading to underperformance. Next stop, Zone 3, the learning zone. This is where athletes push their limits, learn new skills and strategies, and adapt to challenges. It's growth in action. Finally, Zone 4, the faith zone. This is the pinnacle of sports psychology. Athletes in this zone trust their training, their skills, and their instincts. They truly believe they can achieve their goals, no matter the odds. The faith quadrant, a fascinating exploration